Hi, my name is Samantha Kennedy, and I'm a Family and Consumer Sciences agent with the University of Florida IFAS Extension Service. And today I'm going to teach you how to fold ingredients together. Folding is a specific mixing kind of term, but it's not straight up mixing. It's a special kind of mixing that is for more delicate kinds of combination of ingredients. So I have some egg whites here that have been beaten into a meringue kind of froth. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold in a couple of egg yolks. So I'm just going to crack this egg and separate out the whites just by kind of exchanging the yolk back and forth. Okay, so I'm just going to add that one. And I'm just going to add another one. What I like to use the most when folding is a spatula, because that way you can kind of get underneath the ingredients and just eat and gently blend them together. Mixing is more vigorous, and so if your recipe actually says fold, you want to be you want to make sure that you're actually folding, because you don't want to overmix the ingredients. Sometimes it will actually alter the final product's texture and like density. So you're going to want to fold your ingredients if it says to fold, and that just kind of means you're going to take the bottom and just kind of fold it over, take the sides and fold it over until you get it combined without too much vigorous mixing. So as you continue to fold just gently, you see that these are starting to combine, and you still have the airiness, and you're not over mixing. So again, when your recipe calls for folding ingredients, this is the kind of movement that you want to do. Just gently fold your ingredients over one another until they're combined, instead of actual vigorous mixing. That way you'll get the texture that you want. So just be careful when you're reading the directions and follow those directions closely if you want a good final product. Thank you.